Design of gusseted bases when the load on the column section is too large or when the axial load is accompanied by bending moments. Usually gusset base is provided. Gusseted base plates consist of a base plate, two gusset plates, and these gusset plates are connected to the base plate using gusset angles whenever bolted connections are used. So these are gusset angles and these two are gusset plates. The gusset materials used in the base increase the bearing area, consequently reducing the thickness of the base plate as compared to slab bases. And also the gusset material supports the base plate against bending and consequently results in still less thickness of base plate. And assuming 50% of the total load transfers through direct bearing to the base plate, that is 0.5 p, and the remaining 50%, that is 0.5 p, is to be transferred to the gusset plate. And further, if gusset plate is provided on both sides, then force on each plate will be equal to 0.5 p on two gussets by, there are two gussets, so 0.5 p by 2 is the force on each plate. The upward pressure from the below the base causes bending of the gusset plate and puts their top edges in compression, which may therefore buckle. That is, this pressure from the downward causes shear and bending in gusset. This is our gusset plate. So this is with D. This is the outstand S0. So in order to avoid this can be checked by limiting the width to thickness for the gusset plate as given in code, that is D should be less than or equal to 29.3 times of thickness of the gusset into epsilon, where epsilon is given as under root of 250 by Fig. Fig is yield strength of gusset plate. And also the outstand S0, that is this, should be less than or equal to 13.6 times of thickness of the gusset into epsilon, that is S0 should be less than or equal to 13.6 times of thickness into epsilon. The gusset plate so designed to resist shear and bending moment, and the moment in the gusset should not exceed the bending strength of gusset plate, which is given as mtg, which is equal to 1.2 times of Ze into Fy of gusset by gamma m naught.